Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. We are starting a new series where we are going to see the replacement of the words that we are selecting in the video and which are the words we can use instead of that particular word and how to use them in the sentences. So today we are going to see in this video about because. So how you can replace because. If you are new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you enjoy the content and share it with your friends. You have similar series of phrasal verbs vocabulary in the channel. Visit it from the playlist, and also computer science, English, maths, and NIOS content is also available. Let's start. So the first word that we can replace instead of because is since. So how to use it in a sentence is I stayed home since it was raining. Okay, this way you can use it. Next one is as. So she didn't go to the party as she wasn't feeling well. Also, if you write it because here, that will give the same meaning itself. Fine. Next one is due to. The game was cancelled due to the snowstorm. Okay. So the word is due to. Next one is owing to. The flight was delayed owing to technical issues. Next one is for. He couldn't attend the meeting for he had another appointment. Next one is seeing that. We should leave early seeing that traffic will get worse. So you can see here instead of because you have different words available. Next one is on account of. The event was postponed on account of the power outage. Next one is for the reason that. She didn't attend class for the reason that she was feeling unwell. Okay. In view of. The meeting was rescheduled in view of the holiday season. Next one is considering that. We should prepare early considering that the traffic will be heavy. Okay. So these are the words that you can replace instead of because. So they will give a similar meaning, but in different scenarios, these words can be used as well. Okay. It is used for everyday conversation, and if you find the video useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.